For many of us, having a job is not only a means to pay the bills, it also contributes to our self-esteem and our sense of personal fulfillment. The same is true for residents of state-supported living centers. Their jobs provide them with an income, as well as opportunities for social interaction and increased self-determination.
Josh getting to work, it really seems to fulfill a need that he really has. He's got something to do that is beneficial, that gives him a lot of self-worth. It's a wonderful thing for him to have a job and all the benefits that go with it.
It makes him happy.
Residents work under the supervision of center staff, who serve as job coaches. Job coaches prepare residents for employment in a number of ways, including developing their interviewing skills, helping them complete job applications, and improving their ability to follow work-related instruction.
The job coaches that come with them, really kind of prepared us and kind of told us how to handle certain situations, and after a while he just kind of falls right into the flow with everything else we do.
Earning a paycheck creates new opportunities, as well as new responsibilities, such as managing money.
I like working because I had to buy more stuff, like TV, radio, VCR. I had to buy like the new bed for my room, new furniture, a couch maybe. I like having more money to spend.
Residents receive support and training as needed to help them with these responsibilities. Center staff advise residents and their families about how employment may affect residents' benefits. The Social Security Administration's Work Incentive Planning and Assistance Project also provides information about how residents can earn money and still maintain crucial benefits, such as Medicaid and Social Security.
My role as a job coach is we are there from the very beginning till the very end. We begin by interviewing the person, checking to see with them what hours they want to work, what days they want to work, what type of work that they want to do. When I first met Gilbert, he said he wanted to work at Burger King, so luckily Burger King was hiring. We went, filled out an application, went for an interview. The next day he was hired on the spot for 20 hours a week, so we were really excited.
With Gilbert, he had a job coach, and she came in and helped to show and to train him everything that he needed to learn. And even as he got better and better, then she would work with him less and less. And it made it a really good transition for Gilbert when he came to work for us.
During their employment, residents receive job coaching, help with adjusting to their work environment, and transportation to and from work as needed.
He's never been put into a situation where he could be in trouble. He gets to work the hours that he prefers to work. There's not like a real tough time schedule for him to have to keep. It's been very positive for Wayne to do so. My concerns have been very minimal based on the fact that the center's people have been very supportive in this program, and we meet pretty regular on his work positions and as to what they involve and what his actual job function is.
Basically, we work side by side with the person on the job, learn it first, learn as the employer's teaching the person, and the employer will step back and allow the job coach to teach the person the job and step in from time to time and give them praise and give them reminders of what needs to be done. And slowly but surely our employment specialists back away and the employers take over, just like with any other employee.
After the initial training we basically made him a list. This is what we want done, and in the beginning it was a real short list. Maybe we want to sweep up outside, we want to clean the gas pumps, we want to empty the trash, and now he's doing so much more stuff that we're actually even talking about bringing him in the afternoon or the evening for a couple hours where he can work a second shift.
Maybe people have a fear of not knowing what to say to people like Josh, or not knowing what to do, how to act. I think the more that people like Josh get out into the community, I think it really benefits society as a whole.
I think Wayne gets a lot out of being here. Number one, he surrounds himself with a bunch of good people. We have a lot of fun, and you can just see it in his face when he gets here. He's happy, and we joke around a lot. But I think it's given Wayne a lot of self-confidence.
Finding the right job is not an easy task, but it is possible. Focusing on people's strengths and abilities is a positive beginning. A desire to work, along with support from staff, family, and employers, can help residents achieve their goal of community employment and further contribute to their independence and sense of personal fulfillment.